Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. I haven't filmed in feels like forever. I did not go to school today because it was pouring in the morning. It was cold. I did not want to go to school soaking wet, so I stayed home, and today we're just gonna clean the house. I also want to start reading this book. I got this for Christmas. It's called You Sound Like a White Girl. I feel like a lot of us Mexicans, Latinas, like relate to that because everybody thinks that we're trying to be like the white girl. And my wife and I also have like this little journal where we write like our feelings and emotions and stuff. So I want to reply to her today because the last time I wrote on it was like maybe 2 weeks ago, or like 2-3 weeks ago. So yeah, I want to do that today and give that to her so she can reply to me. First things first, y'all, we're gonna put some frijoles to cook. This is gonna be for the week for like the meal prep and stuff, so that's number 1 on my list today. I don't do any like measuring or anything. I just literally grab a cup of this and that's my measurement. Remember to clean your frijolitos. Y'all can have like rocks or like broken pieces. That's how my mom taught me. So like you see this frijolito. It's like a little, can you see it? It's like beat up. It's like beat up and stuff. I'm just gonna take that out. A lot of people like to put the frijoles and the water together, like all at once, but my mom taught me to like boil the water first and then pick out the bad beans, luego los lavas, and then once the water is boiling, you put them in. Do y'all like frijoles negros? I feel like sometimes I like these better than like the pinto beans or the peruanos. Dishes are done. Now to tackle another task. This area. I had a client last night and I did not pick up because I was so tired. But I have a client today and we need to situate this. So let's do that now. And I am gonna give you guys like a tour of my little nail studio, but it's still like a work in process. But take a sneak peek. I did a shorts on it, so if something's posted there already. But ain't it cute? It's gonna be so nice.
I just washed my implements. This is what I use. The cuticle nippers, and then if somebody needs to soak off, then I'll use this little tool, like cuticle pusher. My dotting tool, I just use it for obviously like dotting designs, or like you see like how I have like little cow print. I use it for that. My sanding band, and then this bit I use it for to remove bulk if I'm gonna do a soak off too. And then these 2 bits I use them for cuticles. This one like just to get really in there and get all the dead skin. This one too, I'll use it like around the edges and stuff. I like these 2 because they're like not sharp. So oops. Yeah, so I'm just gonna soak them in barbicide for 10 minutes.
So now we're going to do a juice. It's like a detox juice that I saw on, well, my wife sent it to me from Instagram. It's oranges, cucumbers, and piña para la niña. We'll see if it tastes good. It looks really good, so we'll see. I'm gonna chop up the frutita and then I'll show you guys like the whole process on how I juice. But look at my cutting board, it's so cute. It's a little butterfly. Okay, our frutita is all cut up. We got the piña, the oranges, and the pepinos. This is the juicer I use. It's a Magic Bullet, and this one's the mini one. It's like $50 on Amazon or something. I think it's convenient, especially if you don't have like a bunch of space in your home. And it works, I feel, the same as any other juicer. Here's the juice. I ran out of space for the like piña, but just gonna mix it. Give it a taste test. It smells so good. First meal of the day, because they didn't have breakfast. We have some leftover Olive Garden from yesterday, so I'm just gonna eat. I also wanted to start working out, and today was gonna be the day, but not no more. It's already 3:41. I'm not even done cooking. And I have a client at 5, so I could make it happen, but we'll try again tomorrow. That is it for today's vlog. I'm gonna put my socials all right here if you guys want to follow me, and see you